In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in Canva. If your video has a faint hum, street noise, or that airy hiss from room echo, this quick process will help your voice come through clearer and more professional, using tools built right into Canva. Start by opening your video in the Canva editor and clicking directly on the video clip in your timeline. This is important because any audio enhancements you make will apply to the clip you have selected. If you are working with multiple clips, just make sure the one you want to clean up is highlighted before you move on. Next, look to the top toolbar and open your audio tools. You'll see an option labeled Audio or Audio Effects. Click that to reveal the audio panel for the selected clip. If you don't see it right away, double-check that your clip is selected in the timeline. The audio options only appear when Canva knows which clip you are working on. Now, turn on Enhance Voice. This is Canva's built-in noise reduction and voice improvement feature. When you toggle it on, Canva analyzes your audio and reduces consistent background sounds while bringing your voice forward. It's especially helpful if you recorded with a built-in laptop mic, in a room with a fan, or in a space that wasn't perfectly quiet. Keep in mind that this tool focuses on spoken voice. If your clip includes music or complex sound, you may notice those elements shift as the voice becomes clearer. With Enhance Voice enabled, fine-tune the effect using the intensity slider. A good starting point is around the middle. Slowly move the slider up or down and listen for the sweet spot where your voice sounds clean, but still natural. Too much reduction can make audio sound thin or a little robotic, while too little won't fully remove the noise. Headphones can help you hear subtle improvements, like the reduction of low rumbles or hiss between words. If you find the sound getting a bit unnatural, dial the slider back slightly until your voice regains warmth and presence. If you ever want to compare the original to the enhanced version, simply toggle Enhance Voice off and on to hear the difference. This quick A/B check helps you confirm that you are improving clarity without losing the character of your voice. And remember, your settings stay tied to the selected clip, so keep the right clip highlighted as you adjust. That's it. Thanks for watching.